Welcome to the video guides of MODICIA O.S. Install Retrogramming for Terminal in Linux MODICIA O.S. 24. Download the file with the commands found below in the video description. Open Terminal. In the Terminal window, copy, one at a time, the commands you find in the file below in the video description. Pac-Man console, remake of Pac-Man. Sudoku remake. Grid. It consists of being able to remove as many color digits from the screen as possible. Invaders, Space Invaders remake. Tetris remake. Moon buggy. He must avoid ending up in the craters with the moon buggy. I hope you liked it and have fun. See you soon.